Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to upload a custom font on Squarespace. Click the paintbrush icon in the top right corner of your screen. The Site Styles panel opens on the right side. Inside Site Styles, click the arrow next to Fonts. The Fonts panel expands, showing you different font categories like headings, paragraphs, buttons, and miscellaneous. Click on one of these categories, for example, headings. If you're uploading a font for your headings, the category opens and shows the current font being used. Click on that font name. A mini menu appears with a search bar at the top and a list of available fonts below it. At the top right of this menu, click the upload icon. This opens the uploaded fonts panel where you can add your custom font files. To upload your font, drag and drop the file from your computer into this area, or click the plus icon and select the file. Squarespace automatically detects the font name and weight. Once uploaded, your font appears in the panel. Click the back arrow to exit the uploaded fonts panel. Your custom font now appears in the list under the uploaded section. Scroll down to find it or use the search bar at the top. Click on your uploaded font to select it. Your text immediately changes to show the new font. If you want to use this font for other text elements like paragraphs or buttons, click into those categories and select your uploaded font from the dropdown. If you want to use different weights or styles of your font like bold or italic, upload each variation as a separate file. Squarespace automatically groups them under the same font family. Only upload the variations you actually need because too many font files can slow down your site. You can also adjust styling options like line height, letter spacing, and font size right in the editor once your font is uploaded. That's it.